Commercial lawyers versus contract review platforms. Which one is better for businesses? Most business owners get this wrong by assuming contract issues can be fully handled by software, but the surprising truth is that commercial lawyers and contract review platforms serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can save your business time, money, and legal headaches. Commercial lawyers provide personalized legal advice, negotiate complex agreements, and represent your business in disputes. For example, if your company is entering a joint venture or a large supplier contract, a commercial lawyer can spot potential risks, ensure compliance with local laws, and protect your financial and strategic interests. They can also help navigate disputes if a counterparty breaches terms, providing negotiation or litigation support as needed. Contract review platforms, on the other hand, use automated tools to quickly analyze contracts or common errors, missing clauses, or inconsistencies. These platforms are great for high-volume, routine contracts like standard and employment contracts or purchase agreements. They save time, reduce clerical errors, and provide an initial risk assessment without the cost of hiring a lawyer for every document. So, which is better? Commercial lawyers are essential for complex, high-value or high-risk agreements where strategic advice and legal interpretation matter. Contract review platforms are ideal for businesses that handle many standard contracts and want efficiency at lower cost. In practice, many businesses use both platforms to handle routine reviews and lawyers to tackle critical or complex contracts. The key takeaway is that knowing the stage and complexity of your contracts is crucial. Using technology for efficiency and human expertise for strategy ensures your business is legally protected without overspending. The surprising truth is that the smartest companies don't choose one over the other, they combine both to create a balanced, cost-effective approach that safeguards their interests.